Boldfit weighing machine from Amazon. I bought for rupees 699. It has the capacity of 180 kilogram maximum. Works. MRP is 1899. Price is of 699. Let's open it. So this is the weighing machine. So these are just design elements. It is not functional. They looks like sensors, but no. So behind you see the label. There is a reset button, and next you have places for battery, and battery is also supplied here. They are supplied 2 per batteries. In fact, there are so this one is dummy. This alone is the reset button. There is also one more provisioning here, but this is not functional. It's just dummy. Okay, let's inside the battery. Okay, it's a AAA size battery. It requires 2 batteries. It's very good because I have one more weighing machine. It uses the button cell CR type of battery, but it's really hard to find for a battery in a local market here, whereas AA batteries, AAA batteries are easily available in market, so you can get one very easily. Okay, the battery is on, battery is in. Let's turn it on and see. It has given 84.45 for me. Let me try again one more time. The same. It's consistent in providing the readings. It's very good. Okay. Okay, the weight cells are present over here in the edge, just like any other model. So the weight load cells are placed over here. It looks very decent. Let's see how this goes. The main problem with this kind of devices, weighing machines, is the LED display. So the LCD display would lose its life very soon. That was the same complaint for me in the earlier model. Let me see if this one lasts longer. Thank you for watching.